All right, so hopefully you tried this problem yourself of going 180 counterclockwise or 180 clockwise. So let's just think about it logically. If we took this C, and remember it's always against that origin, and we rotated it 180 degrees, then we know it would land right here. Okay, but let's go ahead and do it with the rule. So I'm going to go ahead, go over here. It's going to be negative x, negative y. So we're going to take that point and rotate it 180 degrees around that origin. So I'm going to just go ahead and we're just going to go ahead and rewrite the x and y coordinate. So 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1. But this time we're going to go ahead and make them both the opposite. So negative, negative. Negative, 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 negative. Okay, so let's go ahead and plot those on our coordinates. So A would be negative 3, negative 1. That would be your A prime. Your B prime would be negative 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be your B prime. And your C prime will be negative 1, negative 1, which we kind of already plotted. And you connect those dots. So it better look like it took that shape and it rotated it around the origin 180 degrees. Or you could think of it going this way 180 degrees. Either way, it's the same exact thing. All right, so please pause this video, try this one yourself, and that way you know if you're doing it right. So here we go. So we're going to go ahead, take this point, and this time we're going to rotate it 270 degrees counterclockwise. So that means we're going to go from C 270 degrees and rotate it counterclockwise. All right, so here is the rule. We're going to go ahead and switch our X and our Y. But this time, instead of having, if you see here, we made the Y coordinate negative. Here, we're going to make the X coordinate the opposite. All right, so A prime, B prime, C prime. We're going to go ahead, switch our X and our Y. So I'm going to write 1, 3, 4, 3, 1, 1. But this time we're going to go ahead and we're going to make the X the opposite because we know we have to be into this quadrant over here, and that's where it's positive, negative. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and we're going to plot those points. So it's going to be 1, negative 3. That is going to be our A prime. We're going to have 4, negative 3. That's going to be our B prime. And our C prime is going to be right 1, down 1. That is our C prime. And we're going to connect those. Notice how when we do rotations, it doesn't change the shape or the size. All of these lengths are the same. You'll see here from A to B, it's 1, 2, 3. From A to B, it's still 1, 2, 3. The lengths are the same. The angles are the same. So this is a rigid transformation. So just to review that. All right, so hopefully when you do this, you see that this is going to be 270 degrees counterclockwise. But if you wanted to do it clockwise, so if we took from C to here, clockwise, this would be a 90 degree clockwise. All right, hopefully that helps. Join the meet if you need any help. Thanks for watching.